Once the Metasploit framework has been installed, we want to go back to the console window, and here we type in MSF console to confirm that the Metasploit framework is all working. Once it is working, we'll move ahead with the Veil evasion setup. But for now, let's just confirm that the Metasploit framework is working. Here we see the starting screen, which shows that the Metasploit framework console is starting. I'll just wait for that to successfully load, and then we'll exit before we move on to the setup of the Veil evasion system once we have this all confirmed. As you can see, this has shown the payloads, the exploits, etc. It has worked successfully. I'm going to exit, and in the next video we'll install the Veil evasion.